I thank God I'm breathing, and I pray don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. No one negativity surround. I know someday it'll all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more war, and our children will play.
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
One day, one day, one day, start to bounce with no
We're standing right next to Shrek. You too.
Mommy, best
Shrek
concert.
or the donkey?
Shrek. Mommy, you have to put away your phone. Put away your phone.
Your audiences only like that and there. Fine, and do it other time. So this is it. There.
Like a door, like that.
Right, mga friendships, come with us and join us with our Shrek Adventures. So here it is. First thing first, remember not to leave bags unattended, especially not with Farkle, Fergus, and Felicia, and a pot of slimy green swamp bog paint. Of course, of course. And there are some travel tips as well. Travel first class, as the journey may take a while in an onion carriage. Come and visit far, far away. And the checklist. Look at the 9 items packed in the case for 10 seconds. Then close the page and see how many you can remember. Remember to pack the children's favorite toys. Done. All packed and ready to go. Yes, we are.
Your number plate is blocking the entrance. Thank you.
Your number plate.
I need to supervise.
Far away, magical bus.
Which way are we exiting?
Wow! Hi everyone, you're here! I can't believe it! It's me, Gingy! You're gonna have a great time! Bye for now!
Are we there yet? So this is us having fun and far, far away in the far, far away castle with Princess Fiona, Shrek, and the donkey. The food here is very different. No slugs, and Donkey is still having trouble with the rules. But the nightlife is enchanting. Welcome to Far, Far Away, a bustling citadel surrounded by magical lands, and in the middle, an impressive palace. There's a fabulous shopping district with something for everyone. It's a bit ogre-whelming. All the city came out to welcome Princess Fiona and her new husband Shrek. What a surprise that trip turned out to be for everyone. I remember the first time we all visited far, far away.
No, she's doing photos.
How do you put them on?
Like that. Shrek!
Thank you.
Would you like your receipt?
No, sorry.
Gingy, you can refrain from using the colours.
So now I have 2 Shreks now.
Yeah. I'm gonna put.
Rower, next page. Fear my rower. So take a really, really deep breath. Hold it, focus, think ogre. So again, this is us in the middle of the lost forest.
Times late under the moon.
How many unsquashed bugs can you find in these 2
And I
pages?
pray take me soon.
So this is the Shrek Swamp Life.
Sometimes in my
A
tears
tasty blue-field snacks are hiding under every log and stone. And this is how Ogre starts the day, enjoying a bold bubble bath, or take a nice cold mud shower. Then he cleaned his ears. Better out than in, he said. I always say, beware, ogres.
One day, start about win or lose, 'cause we all lose, but they're feed on the souls of the innocent blood.
And then here we are at Gingy's Big Shop. Gingy Sweet Ride.
I've been crying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. That we know.
Cannot reach. Cannot reach. How can?
Should be about the same. Stop with the violence, down with the hate. One day we'll all be free and proud to be under the same sun. Singing sounds of freedom. Why yo, why yo, why yo, why yo. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying
Here we are at the Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda, empty stomach. Noodle soup, yes. If you have empty stomach, you want to eat noodle soup, you can save the word on empty stomach.
soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So when
And next, we are now at the Dragon's Land. 3 days travel from birth to discover new lands. So here we go, the dragons feel the scales on toothless legs. That is toothless legs, scales. And dragon names. And here we are at the Dragon Land. The hidden world, the dragon, the hidden world. Thank you.
you might lose the way, your way. Might drive you crazy, but don't let it slip you away. No way. Sometimes in my tears I drown. Never let it get me down. So negativity is around.
Yeah. Yeah.
One day this all will change.